Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can create a family picture with Google Gemini. Okay, let's get into it guys. This is how the family picture looks like and I'm going to show you the prompt to create this picture. Wait, I'm going to go back and I'm going to create new chat and you can upload your photo with your families guys. And I'm just going to upload 4 photos. I'm going to upload this one, and this one. And also, wait, let me search for the photo, this one. Okay, and then I'm going to upload the photos to Gemini. Then I'm going to add the prompt. Then you can submit the prompt and also the photos. But you can modify the prompt guys. For example, here I'm going to create a family of 4 and you can change the number of your family according to your needs and then you can click on submit and the AI will generate a photo for you. Alright, and this is the result. And if you want to download it guys, you can click on this download icon and the video will be saved to your device. The photo will be saved to your device. Okay, and that's all the way to create a family picture guys using Gemini. And for the prompt, I'll put it on the description. Thank you so much for watching and see you in the next video guys.